Okay, so I'm the type of person that is very hands-on, that just goes through things without really thinking and planning. Whatever outcome I get is whatever outcome I deserve or I will get. And in a way, that's kind of true because everything in life will always have an outcome. I don't really like planning because I don't see a point in planning if at the end the result is going to be random. Because we cannot predict, that's the key word, predict, what's going to happen. We can make assumptions, we can make educated guesses, but in the end, everything's just a gamble. So I realized that everything is a gamble. We cannot predict anything at all. We cannot predict how many years we will live. We cannot predict how our life will go. But what I learned through prototype and discourse is that if we make the right process, if we make a hypothesis, because at the end a hypothesis is just a guess of what will happen, but if we make the right steps, the right process, the right everything, we can have a better idea of what's gonna happen. So if I make my hypothesis of a product or an idea or whatever, and then I make the right survey, I make the right steps, I use the right experimentation process, the right prototype. If I get everything right, it's very likely that my hypothesis will be true. And even though it was a guess, I made it happen because I made the right steps. So in this course, that's what we needed to do: make the right steps, have the right idea in order to have the right product. Now, for my recommendation for Bips, to be honest, when I think of Bips, I think of old people, and I think that's most of Mexicans. So what Bips needs to do, they need to renovate themselves fast, like dogs. Dogs, they change their restaurants, they change their image, they have better products now. It's more expensive, but it's better than Bips. Now, when you think of dogs, you think of a fancy restaurant, fancier food, a better quality, a better place. So it really needs to step up their game. They need to change their image. They need to make it more family friendly for people to go with their families, for friends to go have coffee, because if not, they will be eaten. The restaurant business is a ruthless one because it's eat or be eaten, right? Everything is renovate or die. Very few products and places have the opportunity to stay the same and be successful, but it isn't the case for Bips. So Bips needs to refurbish their restaurants, make them better, make them newer, in order to attract more people and attract more clients, and end this losing streak that they had for the last couple of years. I feel like they have made progress by changing their logo, but it's not enough.